Welcome back to Kiwi Spa. You've been using your new hair solution for 8 weeks?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
8 weeks,
Yeah,
right?
a
8
couple
weeks.
months, yeah.
Is your hair loss improved?
Yes, it has. When I comb my hair now, I don't get quite as much dead hair coming out, which is really great. And then I've also noticed in certain spots, like especially right here, you can see I have a lot of new hair growth, especially on the sides, which is where I was noticing most of the problems. There's a lot of new hair growth.
Oh, it works.
Yes.
Thank you for trusting us with your skin and now with your hair.
Yes,
And
thank
we're always
you.
happy to see you here at Kiwi Spa.
Love Kiwi Spa.
Thank you.